Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Zote soap is probably one of the most versatile and budget-friendly cleaning solutions available today, and in this video, we're diving deep into why this humble bar of soap has earned its legendary status among cleaning enthusiasts and DIYers alike. We'll explore its surprising effectiveness on a wide range of stains, its gentle yet powerful formula, and how it can simplify your cleaning routine without breaking the bank. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with Earth Breeze. These innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the mess. Experience a deep clean that tackles tough stains and odors, even in hot or cold water. Our liquidless formula is gentle on your clothes and the planet. Enjoy the refreshing scent that leaves your laundry smelling amazing. It's the perfect way to brighten every load. Formulated to be kind to your skin, these sheets provide effective cleaning power. You get brilliant results without harsh chemicals. Perfect for any lifestyle, these compact sheets are incredibly travel-friendly. Take the convenience of a powerful wash wherever you go. Each package provides 60 loads of exceptional cleaning power. Make the switch to a more sustainable laundry solution today. What we like? This option offers an eco-friendly, liquidless experience that's incredibly travel-friendly. It effectively tackles tough stains and odors. If you're looking for a sustainable and convenient laundry solution, especially for travel or small living spaces, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is a good laundry soap. It is a good laundry soap. It is a good laundry soap. Number 4. Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets. Introducing Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets, the innovative solution for your laundry needs. Experience a powerful clean with our convenient dissolvable sheets. These sheets dissolve completely in your washing machine, leaving no residue. They offer a compact alternative to traditional liquid and powder detergents, saving you space. Each package provides an impressive 200 loads of laundry, ensuring you have plenty of detergent for months to come. Enjoy a fresh linen scent with every wash. Their lightweight and compact design makes them perfect for travel. You can easily pack them for trips without worrying about spills or bulky containers. Make a sustainable choice for your home and the planet. Our dissolvable sheets reduce plastic waste associated with traditional detergent packaging. Enjoy the refreshing and clean scent of fresh linen with every load. It leaves your clothes smelling great and feeling soft. What we like? Get a massive 200 loads in a compact, dissolvable sheet format. It's a great alternative to traditional liquid and powder detergents. If you want a long-lasting, space-saving laundry solution that's easy to use and store, this is the one for you. What people say. It works great for pre-treating stains. It is a good laundry bar soap that gets clothes clean. It is a gentle soap that can be used on delicate fabrics. Number 3. Marie Originals Itch Relief Soap Bar. Are you tired of annoying itchiness? Discover a natural way to find relief from bug bites and skin irritations. Our formula harnesses the power of natural ingredients to gently calm your skin. It's perfect for soothing discomfort from mosquito bites, chiggers, and even chickenpox. This gentle bar is designed for everyone in the family. From kids to teens and adults, it provides effective relief without harshness. Experience the calming sensation as it works to alleviate itching and redness. Enjoy comfortable, irritation-free skin. Make it your go-to solution for everyday skin discomfort. Embrace the soothing benefits and say goodbye to itchiness. What we like? This bar provides natural anti-itch relief, perfect for bug bites and skin irritations. It's gentle enough for kids and adults alike. If you suffer from itchy skin, insect bites, or minor irritations and want a natural, soothing solution, this soap bar is ideal. What people say. It is a great laundry soap. It is a good laundry soap. Number 2. Smart Sheep Laundry Strips. Introducing Smart Sheep Laundry Strips, the perfect solution for your laundry needs. Our detergent strips are specially formulated for sensitive skin, providing a gentle yet effective clean. Make a sustainable choice with our eco-friendly and plastic-free detergent. Each strip is biodegradable, reducing your environmental impact with every wash. These compact strips are ideal for any situation. Whether at home, traveling, or camping, they offer a hassle-free laundry experience without the bulk of traditional detergents. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every load. Our powerful formula tackles dirt and stains, leaving your clothes clean and smelling fresh. Each package provides 48 loads of high-quality detergent. Experience the convenience and effectiveness of Smart Sheep laundry strips for all your washing. What we like. Designed for sensitive skin, this eco-friendly and plastic-free option is perfect for home, travel, and camping. It offers a gentle yet effective clean. If you have sensitive skin or are committed to reducing plastic waste while traveling, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It is a great laundry soap. This soap is a good value for the money. It is a great laundry soap. Number 1. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Introducing a powerful stain treater spray designed for life's little messes. It effectively removes food, grease, and coffee from various fabrics. This is a must-have for new parents and busy households. Keep your baby's clothes and your own laundry looking fresh and clean. Simply spray it on the stained area and watch the mess disappear. No complicated cleaning methods are required. It works wonders on laundry, underwear, and other fabrics. You can trust it to handle everyday spills and accidents. Forget about expensive dry cleaning for food or coffee stains. This spray offers a convenient and effective solution right at home. Formulated to be tough on stains but gentle on fabrics. It's the perfect companion for dealing with messy eaters. What we like. This spray is a powerful stain remover, safe for babies and effective on tough messes like food, grease, and coffee. It works directly on fabric without needing dry cleaning. If you're a parent dealing with frequent spills or just want a reliable stain treater for everyday accidents, this is a must-have. What people say. It is a great laundry soap. It is a great laundry soap. It is a great laundry soap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.